If you have a loan that has a 0 monthly payment due, unfortunately, oftentimes we still have to put a monthly payment in that back end debt ratio. A lot of confusion around things like student loans because student loans are oftentimes deferred or they have a 0 monthly payment income based repayment plan. Here's the thing: most loans are going to require us to put a monthly payment in that debt ratio because eventually you're probably going to have a monthly payment. Now, there are some that if it is a 0 monthly payment based on an actual income-based payment plan, that they will allow you to use the 0. But those are not most of them. Most of the time we have to put a monthly payment in there. And that monthly payment can be 1% of the balance, it can be a 0.5% of the balance. Sometimes it's 5% of the balance divided by 12. There's all these different rules around what we have to put into the debt ratio for that student loan or for that 0 monthly payment loan. But the bottom line is it does go into the debt ratio. So oftentimes we have clients that think that their debt ratio is really good. They don't have monthly payments that are big and high. And then they come to us and they have, you know, $100,000 in student loan debt. Well, if you take $100,000 in student loan debt and I put 1% of a monthly payment in there, even though it's deferred for right now, that can be pretty expensive. We're talking about $1,000 a month we're adding to your debt ratio. So it is good for your clients to know that student loans aren't ignored just because they have a 0 monthly payment. The idea is they just need to go talk to a mortgage person to find out how much they can afford. That's step one. But to understand what's going into that back end debt ratio, know that 0 monthly payment often has to have a monthly payment put into the debt ratio for the qualification. By the way, I do have a script for this in your May scripts. So if you go to the rechargingwithchampions.com website, you are going to see the members area. And under there, you're going to see scripts for all kinds of video ideas. And here's the idea: go out and make your own video. Put it in the teleprompter app. Put it in an app that you can create your own content with this information and be the guru in your market. Whether you're a realtor or another lender, just go do it. People need to see your face. They need to hear your wisdom. And please know, they need to understand debt ratios. As a lender, people don't understand how that works. And they don't understand why they can't afford a house and why we are limiting them, right? Give them that knowledge. Knowledge is power when it comes to understanding getting qualified for a mortgage. Hey, we'll see you next week. Make some great videos.